Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for next week, the week of June 21st, 2022. So I hope that you have a long weekend, enjoyable. Now let's take a look on the market. Right now, the chart you look at the E-mini SP 500 weekly chart. So today that I'm going to go to the charts I will analyze so that you can see when the market it have a potential bottom out. So you look at the bigger time after the market it run up to the beginning of the year, they hit the all-time high, they pull back down. So technically it looked very bearish, but basically it's yet another pullback from the long move from pandemic. So they run up here. So they finish one complete cycle. So they cannot go higher. So they pull back down in the APC pattern here. So we will analyze into detail so that we can see that when the market be able to follow the bottom and turn around. So even though I know that the market they still continue to go lower for the past week, and technically the ES is in the bear market on Monday. But when you start hearing the news, the market get into the recession, it get into the bearish mode in the bear market. It decided the market was very close to the potential of finding a support. I know that it will right now it's called a many panic for the many fund manager as well as investor and trader. So let's go inside the details so we can see where we're heading to. So this is the weekly chart. So we will still continue to in the Dow trend. We don't have a strong momentum or any indication on the weekly chart for the market to turn around yet. However, we are very close into the support area. So let's go to the smaller time frame so that we can see where we at. So right now you can see that after the market puts it back down, puts it back up. So right now we are in the ending diagonal formation for the C-way in order to complete and move back up. So in the ending diagonal formation, the market will be choppy up in the low bound and two parallel channel here. Put it back, come back down, put it back. So until they be able to break out this downtrend line here, put it back up, come back reset, and then put a strong bound to the upside. That's where we can say that the market is in confirm of the bottom. So right now the market is hold up and last couple of days, but we don't have a strong buyer yet. So the market is still sideways choppy here. However, we have a strong buy in this area here. So let's see, the market it will fight away, and at some moment they can turn around. So in the short term, we will continue to trade in the upper and lower bound here until the market gives you the clear direction. So we are still not able to confirm the bottom yet. Okay, so in the last couple of days, as you can see that the market be able to in May 19, the market they put it back up, but they only put it back up to the trend line and then they coming back down again. So if you look at for even a smaller time frame today, so right now as you can see that the market is they may complete this move here, okay, and bow back up. But in order for you to confirm this move it continue to put it back up, then we need to see a clearly five-way formation. So let's say the market they found support here, they put it back up, the first move, second put back down, they make it high. So they put it back up here. That's another level of resistance, but it's still not guaranteed that they be able to continue and put it higher until they give you a completely five-way cycle to the upside, and then they pull back and then they make it high-low on a bigger time frame in order for you to say that this market it ending the downtrend and continue to put it up for the next move. So at this moment we are still trading in the short term sideways up and down in this parallel channel, because this one has been guide you exactly where they heading up and down. Every time they touch it they rebound, they touch it they rebound. So we will trade into this range bound here. Okay, so if you look at the NQ, let me see the NQ, which is the net technology top, that also put it back down right into the parallel channel here and try to find a way to put it back up. So let's see if we can get some momentum and put it back up. In the uptrend, we still have a lot of resistance here. We still have a downtrend line here. Again, we need to clear that downtrend line in order to move to the next leg up. The Russell 2000 also found a support at the zone here. Okay, so we're looking for short-term bouncing back and forward in this channel here. The if you look at the crude oil after they run it up, but they hit right into the sell zone, and then they failed to make a punch to the sell zone, so they pull back down. Now they found another support at here. As long as they can stay up above this downtrend line here, it means that the movement is still there. But if they break this downtrend line, that movement can be over, and then they can pull back down. So you have to be careful, because the oil top is very high right now. So at some moment, people will do something to put it back down. But right now, they're still in the uptrend. So we just watch out for that. If you look at gold is also sideways choppy here. They put it back up right into the 50-day moving average, cannot make through it, and then they go sideways again. So so it's one is still choppy sideways right now. If you look at the euro, also try to find the support at double bottom. In the short term, probably they try to put it back up to retest the downtrend line again for next week. If you look at the Bitcoin, after they break down here, it's just they have a hard hit to the downside. However, it's yet another ABC correction here. So they drop below here. So right now they hit to the top. They have 1, 2, okay, and this one here is another ending diagonal for the wave C here. So that's why we have to weigh clearly. Okay, so they probably may be able to find the support, okay, down below here. But if the market is strong, they will hold up here and then find a way to break out, okay, and find a way up. But right now the momentum is still negative after one of the Bitcoin, one of the coin company, they don't allow people to withdraw, so that company dropped like 50%. So that creates some shockwave on the Bitcoin industry right now. But however, they are yet another ABC here before they can turn around. So if you look at the 11 sector of the SB 500, you can see clearly that some sector they get hit pretty hard, like material sector. After they failed to break through the sell zone, they come back down, they try to hold up and bounce back from the buy zone. But after that, they turn around, they punch to the sell zone, and momentum will completely shift to the negative. But some people buy back here, so in the short term you see some bounce, but this trend is still in the downtrend. Okay, the XLC still continue to go lower. However, they slow down a little bit. They could not hold on to this level, but they still low, high. So we need to have a high, low in order to break out for to retest the downtrend line and break out for next week if we're able to come back to test this line here. The energy sector is still in trouble here. As you can see, many stocks they come back down after they break a upward trend line that I draw for you last week. I said if they cannot hold on to this level, when they break this level, people would take profit right away, and then they come back down. So this is the level of support for the for the energy. Okay, if they pull back right there, and let's see they can hold on to it. If they fail to hold on, they can drop to the next level of support there. The financial sector is also coming down from the top. There's another diagonal parallel formation here. So, but they are trying to hold on to the support level here. But we need, follow through in order to put this one back up. The industrial sector is also coming down. They also have some support at the foot level of support. So if this one they can hold up and give you the bullet formation on the price action here, they can rebound also. The technology, it also pulled back down. Again, they are right into the channel here, and then they hold up, but we need a confirmation for the bar backup. The consumer table is the another trouble. They put it back down after they run up there. Now they make a new low, and this one becomes resistant. So in the short term, you see this one is trying to rebound back to the resistance up there. The utility is also coming down after they failed to make through the sell zone. They go back to the buy zone. They try to hold on to the buy zone. So this is the key level that a utility needs to hold up. If they fail below here, they can drop lower. But if they can hold up and bow back up with the price action, and then they can come back and retest this level there. The real estate is also hard hit by the interest rate. However, they have a strong support on the bigger time frame, which is the whole area here. So if they can hold on to this one, they also have a support at this line here. So if they can hold on to it, they will bow back up to retest. Because next week, I think a lot of at the housing index and those kind of indicators come out, so they can give you the face of the real estate sector also. Okay, the healthcare sector, it also continue to after they have a big run up, so they run out of that. So now they're looking for to pull back down. So this is the area of support for the healthcare sector. So XLY, another consumer discretionary, it also continue to go down. So we will see some support at this level here. Okay, so let's see they can hold on to that level like that. Okay, but overall then it's still in the final move of the downside right now. Okay, so so far as you can look at all of the indexes and the market, as well as all of the 11 sector of S&P 500, they continue to go down. However, they have a very strong support in this area here. So so the market is sooner or later they have to find some support here and rebound. So you watch out for that. This is a good time for you to save your cash, and then the market will give you the opportunity when they turn around. If you take the quote from the top navigator, you will know when it's about to turn around right away. So right now, the short term, the downtrend line still hold them up. So yet watch out until we see a strong buyer to confirm the uptrend. Okay, so as you know, that trading is a very risky business, right? If you don't know technical analysis, okay, so all you do is just gamble to the stock market, because it doesn't matter how good the stock is. When the market hits to some level, they have to be correct, and that's exactly what happened to the stock market. Okay, so that's why trading is not about luck. Trading is not about guessing game, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. That's why a lot of people, they try to chase the stock market, and then they get hit, they buy it on the top, and when they're panicking right now, and then they sell at the bottom. So it's important for you to understand the market structure so that you can trade and make money in the stock market, right? So that's why as Top Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart. Okay, but we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will continue to mentor and support you in our live Q&A every week. Okay, many Q&A by many different instructors, so that you can understand and ask any question that you don't know. So, and then we also have a strong community Discord channel with thousands of members. They will also share the idea and support the new member. So so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up, like button below to help me grow my channel. And again, thank you for watching, and then I will see you during the week to update the market condition. All right, thank you, and good luck to you for next week.